Muthia Vice Chancellor wa University ya KU Paul Wainaina rinodo wa gukenerera thutha wa thirikari kwanirira gucokia muguda wa makiria ma eka 400 iria ciyukitio ni thirikari ya hau kabere niguo kugacirithia motungata ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua niwe waniriire ndeto ino igongona-ini ria kuhumba thumbi makiria ma arutwo 5,000 aria marikitie mathomo mao.
We have hence instructed the Ministry of Lands to cancel those allocations and reinstate the land to Kenyatta University. We have agreed that the land revert to Kenyatta University, save for 38 acres, that will be procedurally and in accordance with the law be given to the squatters of Kameme.
Ndumiriri-ini yake Gachagua ni amenereirie utongoria wa bururi wa hau kabere ni kiria augite ni kwagagia rugamiriri a thukuru wa KU aria acokeirie ngatho ni kwihanda hari kugitira indo cia muingi.
In our government, will any officer of government from president going downward will ever again humiliate a professor before his children and his students and his lecturers? It is wrong. It's unacceptable.
Gachagua augite andu anene thirikari-ini ya hau kabere mari na njama ya kwigwatira muguda ucio na uria wacungiriirie Wainaina na timu yake kurugamio wira akimacokeria ngatho ni guthatia njama iyo.
The university was greatly honored with my appointment to the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms. I sincerely thank His Excellency, the President, for the appointment and commit that I will do the best I can as an educationist to make sure that we deliver.
Gachagua na uria ukumagaritio ni Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu augite muguda uria university ni bati kurekereria no uria wa kuhe aikari a Kameme ikaro akiuga thirikari iria iriho ni irutire kugitira indo cia muingi.
Your Excellency, in keeping with the theme of this occasion on education and research for economic prosperity, it is vital to underscore the significance of education in characterizing economic development for present and future generations.
Muguda wa eka 410 niguo wari ugairwo honge inya ngurani indi urugamiriri wa university ukinyiriria ni mubangire kwa ndandura university ino. Igongona-ini riri Gachagua ni ahinyiriirie aria marikitie mathomo kwirutaniria hari kwiyethera umatho akimahoya gukomba na kuhuthira kigina kia Hustler Fund wega niguo kwiyukiriria.
I wish to challenge them to seize the opportunities that the knowledge they have acquired here as presented to be innovative in their pursuit of success and happiness, and to embrace the sciences as a pathway into a brighter future.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma university-ini wa KU kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Matthew Ndung'u.